While I was working, it was difficult for me to travel up to Glasgow midweek, so I really basically had to wait until I retired from teaching. Then that's where I took up an interest in pursuing printmaking in a serious manner. It was just great to get back into a sort of working vein, and I'm working with a community of full-time professional artists, and the print studio also offers up the opportunity for getting your work out there to a wider public. Processes that I use vary. I work specifically in monotype, but I have begun using etching. That presented problems, but I wanted to tackle it and gave it my best shot, albeit there were problems along the way. The title of the print is called Stramash. The ideas for Stramash was based on the fact that it was the exhibition being held in the Kelvingrove in Glasgow. I wanted to initially engage the Glasgow public, and I thought that what would engage them more would be something that we would all possibly have a connection with, and that is of a sort of great rivalry between the two great Glasgow clubs, Glasgow Celtic and Glasgow Rangers. Unfortunately, I might have caused, instead of engaging the public, I might have alienated maybe half the population.